Okay, this is 5.1D, imaginary numbers like I, numbers with I in it. Okay, we're calculating large exponents of I. I don't have an example down here yet because I'm going to write it. Okay, so if the exponent of I is large, then divide the exponent by 4. The remainder is the new power. Okay, and here I'll do an example. You ready? So here's an example. So we want to simplify this crazy looking thing. So this is 9I to the 182nd minus 10I to the 100 plus 11I to the 68th power minus 12I to the 49th. All right, so these are what I mean by large numbers. The exponent is large. Okay? As you guys like to know, I like to do a step-by-step. So we're going to do a step-by-step. Remember the first thing you want to do, my work, right? When I ask you to do my work, all right, I expect you to write the problem. Okay? Minimum write the problem. All right, so the first thing we need to do, since we need to divide the exponent by 4. And, sorry, by 4, and keep the remainder. Okay, so our first exponent is this atrocious looking thing, right? So we take 4 and we divide it into 182. Okay, so 4 goes into 18 4 times for 16. That's 22, and this goes into that 5 times for 20. So our remainder is 2. Okay, so now we have, and the remainder is 2. Remainder is 2. All right, I'm going to get something else to write on to keep track of my work. Actually, I'll put it down here. Okay, so now we're going to, and remember what I said is keep the remainder is the new power. So look, so now we have 9I to the power of 2. Okay, minus 10. And I think we all know that 4 4 goes into 100. As you guys can see, I'm using my desktop computer. Okay, and this goes into it 2 times for 8, and then 20, that's 5. So the remainder is 0. So you got 10 to the power of 10 to the I to the power of 0. Okay, plus 11I to the power of, let's find out. So we take 4 and we divide it into 68. It goes in once. So it's 28, and then that's 7. And that's 28. That's 0. Okay, so that also has a remainder of 0. And then last but not least, we have minus 12I to the power of 4 goes into 49, right? Goes into it once, and then twice, the remainder of 1. Okay, I thought I left a remainder of 3 somewhere around the way, but I guess I didn't. I apologize. Anyway. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and rewrite. I'm going to go ahead and now I'm going to simplify and combine like terms. So now that I've done this, right, here we go. I got this little thing. I'm going to move some stuff, move this out of the way, push this up. Okay. So now we want to so step 2, we want to simplify. And combine like terms. right, so I squared is just -1, so this becomes -9. That's just 1, so this is -10. That's just 1, so this is +11. And that's just I, so I got -12I. And I do some quick math here, so that's 19, and then -19 plus 11 is -8. Okay, and then as always, sorry. All right, as always, we need to put it in the form remember A plus BI. And it is. So we don't have to really do it again, but I'll copy it over. Okay, so -8 minus 12i. So that's it. That's how you simplify it. The major thing is here. I'll just try to put my, I can't get it all in there. The step-by-step is very long. So here's the problem. I'll go through it. As you see, you divide the exponent by 4 and keep the remainder. The remainder is 2. I kept the 2, 0, 0, 1, right? And then you combine like terms and simplify. Okay? All right? That's all I got. Sorry the video was so long.